What's going on, guys? So I did a little bit of an oopsie. I filmed this whole video painting the tail lights, the whole process, how to do them good or best of my ability or whatever. And then today I was editing some videos, and there's one similar name to what this was going to be, and I went to save it. It popped up, do you want to overwrite, because it was already this video saved as this name. And me not paying real good attention, I just clicked yes, and immediately as I did that, I realized what I'd done, and I had killed the video. I'd already deleted the old footage because I got 256 solid state in my laptop, and I fill that thing up quick, so I'm constantly having to delete footage and stuff. I know I need to get an external, but just haven't done that yet. So I kind of nuked the video, and it's a lot bigger process to attempt, especially the way that I did it, to recover that than it would be if it was like a PC. But yeah, I'm pretty sure as of now it's gone. So I'm making this video just show y'all it's not going to be as good, it's not going to be as in-depth, blah blah blah. Really, it's honestly probably going to suck, but I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all and tell y'all a little bit about it because I did do this. So I have the tailgate off currently because I'm trying to clean it up. It's in a little bit of a rough shape, so I'm trying to do work some magic on it. But yes, so I tinted the taillights with VHC nightshades, and I didn't get them as smooth as some people can, and they kind of have a matte look to them, especially paired up right next to this black paint. But I did the taillights and I did the third brake light, and like I said, I had the whole process, everything, doing the whole thing, but it's gone. So basically what you want to do, and the reason why I really did this, because I'm going to get some different taillights for the truck, but I wanted to show y'all how to do this for the people that want to just be as cheap as possible and get some good black taillights, especially because mine were like messed up on the inside. They had like some really gross, like it looked like the film on the inside had come apart. So they look really bad, and I just figured, what the heck, I'll do this. And so gave it a shot. So my process is, you start out, you sand them with like, I think I sanded mine with 800 grit sandpaper. You scuff them up real good, and then you spray a light coat or whatever, and then every time in between coats you wet sand it. I wet sand it with 1000 grit sandpaper. You just literally just dip it in water, sand it, wipe it all clean, spray it again, and it helps give it a better bonding and look and everything like that, as far as what I've done with these, because I've done these on a couple taillights, and taillights usually come out really good. Third brake light, and especially headlights, can be really tricky. Your headlights can come out looking absolutely horrible, cracks all over them, stuff like that. And I don't know how to fix it, but all the taillights I've ever done have always come out pretty good. So you do those steps just as many times as you want in order to get the desired darkness. And obviously these are very dark because, like I said, the inside of them were messed up. So yeah, I hate that video got messed up. But anyways, so you probably do like 5 coats of the VHT, and then you know, wet sanding in between, and then you can go with clear coat and clear coat them, wet sand them, clear coat, until your desired darkness and clarity. So I think they look pretty sweet on here, all blacked out and everything. Like I said, I've got different lights coming, some LEDs, because the issue you run with this, especially if you go this dark, which, let me grab the keys real quick so I can show y'all. The issue you run with these is they are honestly too dark. So yes, you can still see, and if we back up, you can still see the light. However, you know, you don't really want, that's why I love, well, let me grab my other keys. That's why I love these style taillights, because super bright. So yes, they have the black inner, but yet they're still extremely bright. The last thing you want to do is get rear-ended. And so that's the safety problem you run into when you're doing the VHD, because it gets them really dark. People might have hard time seeing that you're braking and run into you, and they might have some legal justification if they sue you over running into you with your taillights too dark, because this is illegal. In all honesty, it is illegal. So I don't know if I would 100% rate it, especially not going this dark. Obviously you can go lighter, it will have a more purple look to it. So if they're going on a black truck, might not want to do it, but if they're going on a white or some other color, it might not look bad. But just definitely be careful with going too dark, and if you are going to drive it on the road a lot and whatnot, and is a long-term, you know, going to keep the lights for a long time. So definitely take that into consideration. But I mean, and they came out pretty good. Like I said, they still do have like a slightly matte finish to them rather than a super glossy like paint, but I mean, decent enough. So I just wanted to put this video out there for y'all. Depressed about losing all the footage because I tried to get really good angles and the whole process, and it was a really good video, but I nuked it on accident and it's gone. So future reference for any of my computer people out there, if you know a program, preferably free, that can recover lost files on a Mac, leave them in the description. I know there's a bunch of them out there that claim they do, but then you go through the process and then they want you to pay like $200, and in all honesty, a video like this is not going to make that kind of money, so it's not worth doing that. I'm trying to get out of the wind. So yeah, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll definitely try to answer anything. But that's pretty much gonna do it. The truck's making a whole big transformation. I'm sure you're seeing this prior to a couple other videos I've already filmed, but definitely stay tuned. We're gonna have some cool stuff on the front of this truck very soon. So I guess with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. Like I said, leave some comments if you have any questions, and with all that being said, I will see y'all in the next one.